How to activate Caixa Bank card. Caixa Bank is a major Spanish bank that also offers a range of insurance products. These cover areas like life, pension, home, car, health, and business insurance. First, download Caixa Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Log into the app, enter your username and password to access your Caixa Bank account. Once inside the app, go to the My Accounts section and select My Cards. Here you will find all the cards associated with your account. You will find a list with all your cards. Choose the card you want to activate. Make sure you have selected the correct card and tap on it to continue with the activation process. Verify that the card details are correct: number, expiration date, etc. If everything is correct, proceed to activate it. Congratulations! Your card is now activated and ready to use. You can start using it for your purchases and transactions. That's it. Thanks for watching.